has divided into three parts. First one is the present tense. Second one is the past tense, and the third one is the future time. Future time. So each tense has four forms. So the forms are: first one is the simple. Second one is the progressive, and third one is the perfect. Fourth is called perfect progressive. Each tense has divided into these four forms. First of all, we will go to present tense. So present tense has four forms. So first one is the present simple, that is called a simple present. So its rule is subject and verb one, that is called root verb one and object. So according to rules, we will give example. Rama writes a letter. So before writing the sentence, first of all we will go to study about the subject. What is the subject? Subject means about whom we talk about. And a main verb, the definition of verb is called function of the subject. Function of the subject is called verb. And without verb, a sentence cannot be completed. So according to rule, subject is Rama, verb one is write. So s and es is always added. S and es is always added to the verb. If the subject is the third person singular. If the subject is third person singular. Yes or no? First of all, we will think about subject. If subject is the third person singular, then s or es will be added. So first rule, according to first rules, subject, verb and object. Rama writes a letter. And its second rule is the progressive. It is called present progressive. So there is a subject, and here helping verb are used. So what are the helping verb used in the form? Is, am, are. And here is the main verb, means fourth verb. V4 means it is called ing form of the first verb. Ing form of the first verb and object. What is ing form? First verb is, suppose it is watch. So its ing form is watching. It is called, in short, it is called a V4. It is root verb. It is called verb 1. Okay. So according to the rule to subject, is verb 4 and object. So according to this rule, we will write an example. We can give any subject. First person, it may be first, it may be second person, it may be third person singular or third person plural. So I took the subject they. So according to subject they, so helping verb, which one will be used? We have to choose the helping verb according to the subject. So if subject is they, so helping verb is are. So ing form of the first verb, if watch is the verb 1, so ing form is called watching. So we added an object, that is called we watching. We are watching TV. It is called rules of present progressive. Then third one is the present perfect. Third one is the present perfect. So what is the rules of present perfect? Let's see. So what is the rule of present perfect? Rule is, there is a subject and helping verb are used here, have and has. Have or has. So we have First of all, we will discuss about have and has. Where you can use has here third verb. Third verb, what is third verb? So before going to third verb, I will tell you what is the helping verb have and has. Have and has always used when subject is the third person singular. Third person singular. Subject is third person singular and others have. Have coding where it is first person, second person and a third person plural. Example. First of all, we will give example of a has. Third person singular. That is called Rajesh. So helping verb is has. Rajesh has. So third verb we can take any verb. C is called verb 1. Verb 2 is called SAW. Okay, and third verb is called CN. Okay, so according to this rule, we will use third verb. Third verb is called CN. Rajesh has a CN. The field. So according to rules, we wrote the, and then we'll write a sentence, give an example by using have. Where have will be when subject is the third person plural, so first person, second person. Example. So I took the example of first person I have. Same sentence. Same. It is the rules of present perfect and its example. Then the last one, it is called perfect progressive. It is called present perfect progressive. Last one is called present perfect progressive. So what are the helping verbs used here? Its rule is subject. Helping verbs are have been or has been. Have been or has been. And ing form of the verb plus subject. Ing form I have told you in short form. Present verb is called verb 1. Past verb is called verb 2. Past participle verb 3. And ing form means it is called short form, it is before. So according to here has been also will be used before where subject is the third person singular. Has been also will be used where subject is the third person singular. And have been will be used first person, second person, third person plural. So we will give an example of has been. So subject here, a name, it is called third person singular. So your helping verb will be used has been. And ing form of the verb, you can take any verb and its ing form. So see, its ing form is add ing. Okay. So according to rules, the sentence is complete. And in plural. So they is a plural subject, have been. So play is the verb 1, ing form is playing. So this was the rule of present tense. It is called present tense as divided into 4 forms. First one is simple, second one is progressive, third one is perfect, fourth one is perfect progressive. So according to rules, so all the examples have been written. Then another one is there is called in present simple. So helping verb is do and does. Do and does. I will tell you later about do and does. Its rule and how and its uses. I will tell you about the rules of do, does and its rules.